Welcome to super simple soy yogurt. This is really easy and people forget how simple it is to make yogurt. Yogurt originally comes from the Turkish word to thicken. So I'm going to show you simply how to make soy yogurt 3 ways. First step, you're going to need a jar. In that jar we're going to pour 1 litre of soya milk. We're going for unsweetened soya milk. Go for whatever type of soya milk you like. You do need a super cool Kilner jar to make this work. And a label. Label makes it super powered. Into that I'm just simply going to take my mother culture, also known as soya yogurt I bought earlier. So I got 4 tablespoons of simple soya yogurt that I bought. This is an unsweetened one. I'm just literally going to pour it in. And this is where it gets really complicated, okay? So you ready? With me? Take the lid. Cover it like that. Boom. We leave it now for 2 days. Okay, without being facetious, what's happening is that the mother culture is going to eat the sugars or the starches or the carbohydrate within the milk. It's going to kind of thicken and curdle nicely. I'm going to leave this for about 2 days, ideally at around 15 degrees Celsius. If where you live is warmer, you probably only need to ferment it for 1 day. If where you live is colder and the room's colder, you might need it 3 days. But what you're looking for is that it goes thick and it coagulates. So I'm going to leave this aside. This is our super cool pantry. So I'm going to leave my soy yogurt there to ferment for 2 days. So I let this ferment for 2 days and you'll be amazed to see just how simple this is. So I open it. So there's naturally going to be a bit of separation. So you see there's a bit of water on the top and you might go, oh, this didn't work. But beneath the water, look. Oh, we got perfect yogurt. And if you taste it, it'll just taste exactly like the mother culture. So what you're looking to taste is just to test the acidity. So the higher the temperature and the longer you leave it ferment, the more it's going to become acidic. So you have to kind of reach that point with which you're happy. So what I'd recommend is after 1 day, taste it. If it doesn't taste acidic enough or bubbly enough, give it longer. And if it does taste acidic or bubbly enough, good to go. So, lovely, very neutral, very perfect. So, as I mentioned in the title, this is how to make soy yogurt 3 ways. So this is way number 1. This is just a simple, natural soy yogurt. So I'm going to pop that one in here. So the second one we're going to make is a simple maple chocolate granola. So that's our first one. In goes our yogurt. So it's about 300 ml of yogurt. I'm going to go with 1 teaspoon of cacao powder. I have sieved it just to make sure there's no lumps in it. I'm going to go with 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, which might sound like a lot, but this is an unsweetened soya yogurt, and I kind of want to make this to taste a little bit indulgent, and I want people to go, oh, that's delicious. I'm just going to take my spoon. Okay, that's the second one. That's the chocolate maple yogurt. Obviously, if you do like it sweeter, just add in a little bit more maple syrup. Last and final one I'm going to make is a lovely berry one. So I blended up, so I made some acai. I put a little bit of maple syrup just to make it sweeter. You could blend up some blueberries, any type of frozen berry with a little bit of sweetener. I'm going to pour that in and I'm going to go in with a generous amount because I want this to be really purpley. There's the last and final one. This is an acai one or else a blueberry one, whichever you want. The beautiful thing about making your own soya yogurt is you're minimizing on packaging. You can buy 1 litre of soya milk and you can turn it into 1 litre of soya yogurt, minimizing a small amount of packaging. And I think with any kind of, that we're now in climate crisis, it's just baby steps can make a big difference. So first one is a natural soy yogurt, next one is a chocolate maple one, and the last one is an acai or a blueberry soy yogurt. Very simple, surprisingly easy to make. Kind of make them to your own palate. Like if you follow these exact recipes, they taste a little bit sharp and not sweet enough to you, just add a little bit more liquid sweetener of choice. We tend to use maple syrup, you can use date syrup, brown rice syrup, agave syrup, anything like that will work great. My favorite has to be the chocolate maple one. Jeez, it reminds me of the yogurt I used to have as a kid. Beautiful. Super easy to make, dudes. Please check them out. And if anyone is interested in learning more about kind of framework cooking and how to learn to cook without recipes, we have our online vegan cooking course, which is the distillation of 14 years as vegan chefs. Link down below for more details. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing and ciao!